All right, cool. So here's the box. This is the main box of stuff, and then I have one tube that I guess I'll open because I just haven't opened it. No, we can see what's in there. I think it's just straight channel. I don't think I ordered stringers. We'll see. I forgot. All right, so start from the top here. I threw a bunch of stuff in here that I bought. This is titanium. I'm going to build a non-adjustable front seat out of titanium, and this is all the stock that I need to do that. So I found all this stock on eBay and also ordered it last year. And I have the filler rod for the TIG welder to do this project, but I do not have, I got to come up with some kind of purging setup for the inside of the tubes. With titanium, I don't think it's any harder to weld, but everything needs to be really clean, and you need to have good shielding inside and outside. So yeah, this is to come build your own titanium seat frame. So that's that. These are the die springs that the V3R plans call for. I think I'm going to do this. I've already bought it all, and I have the pre-cut stuff to build these, so I'll probably build these so I don't have to buy struts yet, because I got enough to buy without buying fancy stuff right now. I can do that once the plane's flying. So these are the die springs. I kind of just threw all the pieces that I had in this box. Those two things aren't from Javron. So this box is the box from Javron. I guess we'll start with this box. I wonder if I should get closer with it. Well, whatever. So we have the leading edge tubing for the bird cage, the preform for either side. That we have some fuselage handles. I already have these, but now I have more. What is this? So all this stuff is pretty well labeled. Yeah, like guide, throttle mount assembly, throttle lever guide. So you can check out that. It's all sealed in bags and labeled, which is really nice. And that's all pre-welded. That's super cool. And that really nice TIG welding. Master cylinder mount. Cool. This is like Christmas. I'm kind of excited. I kind of forgot about all this stuff. Stringer attachment. Man, stringer attachment fittings. Front and rear brace fittings, which I don't have. I don't have any. The only fittings I have from the kit, from the tubing kit, are the landing gear attach and the wing attach, and then the V cabane fittings for that. Man, look at this. More brackets, pulley brackets, little tiny clamps, idler mount. Man, this is great. See all that? Super cool. Oh, this is all the door pieces for the entrance door. You have the springs there that you pull, and that's this is the handle. That's super cool. And then the hinges. I guess they don't do a lot of times they'll do piano wire hinge, but I guess they're not doing that. So really neat. Don't know how any of that works, but figure it out. What else do we have? This is quite the complete kit. I mean, I told them I wanted everything. Some of them just have parts numbers on them. These are pulley brackets. Here's some cool stuff. This is the torque tube mount assemblies. These things would have taken so long to build. So I'm really happy that I have these now, and I just fit them or weld them in, fit them to the tube and weld them. Looks like. They're already pre-fit there. Super cool. And these bushings are already made. That stuff would take a super long time. You can make them, but it just takes time. Torque tube stops. What else do we have? Bracket material. Tail spring bracket. That's kind of cool. I don't actually have that. I was going to make that. This fuselage is set up for like a titanium, like an RV style tail rod, which I'm not using. I bought a truck spring, like a 3-leaf 1.25" truck spring I'm going to cut in half and use the metal to make a spring. So that's nice. I have some of this stuff, but I also don't have some of it, so that's perfect. And then I won't go through everything. Just tail brace wire, just a bunch of all the bracketry, kind of like I said that I wanted. So there's the rest of it. That's just kind of odds and ends that are either numbered or I already kind of talked about. So that's super cool. It's kind of making me pumped to start welding this stuff onto the fuselage. We'll put this away. So that's all the small pieces in that box. Let's change my position here. I'm still in the camera. All right. So let's see what's in this box. Ooh. These are the nuts for the axles and some of the pulley kit. I wanted all the pulley kits, I told him. This is the bill. Yes, this is the bill. So I guess he doesn't care if I talk about the price. So the fuselage bracket kit and the channel was $1,600. I bought the baggage door kit, which I have around here, which I can show you. Flat bay rib. Yeah, I bought 4 ribs to build kind of to mock up my bird cage with and my attached fittings. So altogether, I spent $3,800 for you know all this stuff, which for the amount of work this is, I'd have to make. It's taken me a long time. And here I have there we go. I have all the pulleys. Anodized pulleys. These have ball bearings in them, which is nicer than the Piper stuff. These have bushings in them. I already told you about those. This is the jack screw for the elevator, and this is the carrier that pulls it as you move the trim. This goes up and down this and raises and lowers the horizontal stabilizer. So that's all that. That's some fun airplane jewelry. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is a nice piece. This is the torque tube assembly. So again, this thing takes a long time to fabricate and build. These things take a long time, and you can see like the welding is just super good. It's like me on a very, very good day. But you can even see like now that I've been welding so much, you can see like where like the shielding gas like the whole time was the pre-flow was right. None of it's oxidized. So really good job. So that's super cool. That thing's completely done, ready to bolt in. What else do we have? Don't know what this is. Let's open this puppy up. Try not to score it. My knife is so dull. Don't know what this is. Oh, yeah, cool. Glad I didn't go ham with my knife on this piece. Okay. This is the carrier for the horizontal stabilizer that goes in that yoke assembly and then goes up and down the this is what holds the front of the horizontal stabilizer when you raise and lower the trim. So this comes up and down. And it's super nice. So this is all machined. There's a bushing there. This is all painted. There's a fitting for a zerk right there for greasing it. So that's really nice. Let's see what this is. It's kind of fun not kind of ordering stuff and then forgetting what is in it. I guess I could just look at the packing list, but this is more fun. It's all stuff that I don't have to make. I just get to assemble. what are these? Oh, I know what they are. They're the sticks. I think. No, they're not. They might be. These might be the sticks. I think these are the sticks. I think, yeah, they are, because I haven't opened the, and these are the bottoms, guarantee it. So that's cool. They're both bent and pretty light. I was gonna make those things out of titanium to save a little weight, but if you already sent them to me, then I guess. Yeah, look at this. Sweet. All welded, brackets are made, aligned. So these are the bottoms of the sticks that go into the torque tube assembly. And then so you have this as the bottom. That goes in there, and then a bolt goes through. I'm not going to push it down in there because I don't want to. Actually, you know what? I think I will leave it like that. So then I guess this is more. Wait, would this be? I think it would be tilted up. I think it would be like that to get it out away from you a little bit. So cool. And there's two of them, so you can take these out for passengers that will grab it or something, or if you need to put baggage in that seat, you can put the baggage up and just put a cover over this, and then it won't interfere. It's really nice. All right, make sure I don't have anything else in here. I think that's everything. These are the ribs. I guess we can check those out while we're doing all this. I don't know if this is interesting, but I thought I'd make a video about it. This is the, looks like 4 rib assemblies and stuff to rivet them together, and rivets. So stuff to build four ribs. So the idea here being build the ribs, and then when you're building the cage above the fuselage, that's all built out of channel that is hopefully in that tube. But you need to get the profile, and you need to know how high to build it so you don't have any kind of weird stuff going on with your sheet metal once the wings are mounted on the fuselage. So what some people do is build 2 little winglets, or at least hang 2 ribs on each side, and build mocks of the spar, and then set them where they're going to go, and then they can build their bird cage before they have the wings. I might do this, but I might just buy wings. I don't know. So that's cool. And I think that's it for this box. So I'll put all this stuff back in here, and then we will get the tube and bring that over here and open that up and look in there. All right. It's a lot of material. I love getting weight when I order this stuff, because it's like, you know, the airplane doesn't weigh that much, and when you get 15, this is like 20 pounds of steel here, so that's 20 pounds of the airplane. Just do that, you know, another however many times, and you'll have a whole airplane. Some more angle. Looks like this is all numbered, so that's good. Just God knows I won't know where to put it. Probably there's not just more straight stock, but front door threshold. I don't know what this is. Interior panel tabs. That's interesting. We'll see if I use that. I haven't really talked about what I'm going to do for my. Is there anything left in here? I guess that's it. Haven't talked about what I'm going to do for my interior. I don't really know. I don't think I'm going to have one, but I haven't decided. So, a bunch of channel, door channel for the baggage doors, and then all of this is, the majority of this is this 3/8 Piper channel, what they call a Piper channel, which you can see up here. It's really not coming up on camera, but this whole package is just Piper channel. And that's what you make, that's what you build like the body, the belly out of, and all the bird cage out of and everything. So it takes like, I forget how much, like 30 feet of it or something. And I was gonna buy it all, and then it's just easier for him to ship it to me. So that's cool. Put that over here. And I think the final thing to show is the doors. So I'll get the doors and I'll be right back. Okay. This is the final package I got from Javron. And I'm going to keep these in because they're very fragile, but there's one of the baggage doors, all really nice, pre-drilled for rivets and pre-chamfered at the edges. Here's the larger baggage door. Again, super nice. Freaking perfect. What else do we have? Oh! I'm gonna have to put this down because it's like gonna put peanuts everywhere. But here are the baggage frames. Wow, and they're slotted for the interior panels to go into. That's pretty cool. So this is the aft upper baggage door frame, and this is the aft lower baggage door frame, which is has part of the rib in there. Man, that'd be kind of a lot to build. And the welding is so good on this stuff. So much better than my stuff. And then we have upper door piano hinges, lower door piano hinges, and then hinges for the other ones. So that's super cool. A lot of stuff here. I will be good for projects for a while, trying to work my way through all this. But anyway, that's all three boxes that I got. All right, everyone, well, that was the kind of unboxing of all the Javron parts. If you enjoyed that, give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about building this experimental Super Cub, give the video a like, but also follow my channel. The next thing I'll be doing is finishing welding up the landing gear. I'll cut some B-roll in of that now, so you can check out my progress on that. And then we will be off to probably build the horizontal stabilizers and elevators, because I need to do that. And then we'll be getting into putting all that stuff I just showed you on the fuselage. I've got some other things that I got some other ideas for videos that I'll be sharing. I bought some other dumb shit for this airplane that I haven't showed anyone yet. So we'll get into that, and then we'll get into what I've been flying recently, because that kind of has a lot to do with that. Yeah, so that's it. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.